BCBAs, this is how you teach your trainees how to supervise, part 4. Don't teach data decisions with lectures. Teach it with one graph in a repeatable decision routine. 1. What's the trend? Is it going up, down, or flat? Is it stable or all over the place? 2. What's driving the data? Skill or implementation? Before you change a program, check treatment integrity. If integrity is low, you don't have a learning problem, you have an implementation problem. 3. What's your next decision and why? Continue if it's improving and integrity is solid. Modify prompt if it's stuck and prompts aren't effective. Adjust reinforcement if motivation isn't there. And revise the program if the current plan isn't producing learning. Now use BST. You model your thinking out loud, what you notice, and the decisions you're making. Then they practice with a new graph. They say their decisions in one sentence and you give feedback. The next video is the final level. Follow so you don't miss it.